Alright guys, this video is to show you guys how to replace the actuator ball flap. This is the ball flap. Mine broke off. I just replaced it. You got three 10mm, 1, 2, 3 in the back. Take it out. My actuator was actually stuck, so what I kind of did, I just placed this here on this side, make sure it's in there. Once that side's in, just put this one in, and I was not able to make this side click in because it was stuck down here. Mine was stuck closed, so I kind of just left it there hanging. So what I actually did is you have to let the actuator know that, like, it's like a memory thing. So you just leave it there. If yours is stuck open or closed, just put it somewhere where you know it's gonna whenever it moves, it's gonna clip in. Once you have this ready and you got your screws in, all you have to do is you don't have to turn your vehicle on. It's better if you don't turn it on. All you have to do, let me see. Okay, that's off. All you have to do is the ignition on. Okay. Give me 1 second. You put it in Sport Pro Plus, Sport Plus. Once you put it in Sport Plus, just give it the gas pedal. You're gonna hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but if you go back to comfort, it's gonna move again. Then if you go back to Sport Plus and you press on the gas, that's where you tell the actuator, okay, now this is the memory, and then it's gonna clip in. So once it clips in, you should be all set to go. The reason why we replace the actuator flap is because it becomes loose or it breaks off, and it starts making a really annoying rattling noise, and it can get worse by time. So that's the reason why it got replaced. If you guys got any questions, any concerns, you can put them down in the comments.